This is Fuki from Coin Ludens. This time, I will explain the hanging coins that has been loved by coin magicians for many years. 3 coins become transparent one by one and are hanged in the air. And then they come back again. That's the kind of magic it is. While it's very difficult to make multiple coins disappear using just technique, this time I've crafted a routine that is as simple and effective as possible. This is somewhat of an intermediate level procedure, but mastering it will definitely elevate your coin magic. Now, let's move on to the explanation.